I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites quickly. Enable developer options and turn on USB debugging on the device, then install Android platform tools on your computer and run a DB version to verify installation. Plug the device with a good USB cable into a direct port. Once connected, run a DB devices to see the device ID and authorization prompt. If you see unauthorized, accept the prompt on the phone. This gets you into a trusted wired session and avoids wireless debugging completely. Once the device is authorized, you install the app via a db install rpath/to/app. App so you can replace existing installs without losing data. This is faster than transferring via file managers. If the app requires permissions, run a db shell pm grant or a db shell pm install g to auto-grant runtime permissions. Make sure to explain why you grant them. For debugging, use a db logcat and a db shell to reproduce issues and see real-time logs while you exercise the app. To finish, validate the app runs and then secure the device by revoking USB debugging authorizations if you won't use a DB regularly. This prevents unauthorized access. If the device disappears or is not detected, check USB mode to ensure it's in file transfer, replace the cable, reinstall drivers, or reboot the phone and PC. If a DB behaves oddly, run a DB kill server then a DB start server to reset the daemon. These steps complete the wired a DB workflow without wireless debugging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.